Google, one of the biggest tech companies nowadays. Whether you use the internet regularly or not, you've probably heard of it. I mean, I use Google for practically anything. I used to use it to find the answers to my math homework back in the day, and now I use it to find ways to help soothe my baby's teething pain. Anyways, you and I are just a couple of people out of millions that use Google. But I bet that you didn't know that you can actually use Google to make lots of money. This secret trick can help you make thousands of dollars. Now, as I said, this is a secret method, so it's one that not that many people know about, so you're gonna wanna watch until the end of the video to find out exactly how it works. I'm gonna walk you through each step and show you ways to make money quickly. But I bet that you didn't know you can actually use Google to make lots of money. This secret trick can help you make thousands of dollars. Do you have a smartphone? Great. Well, that's pretty much all you need to be able to do this. All you need is some sort of device that can connect you to the internet, like a smartphone, laptop, computer, or even a tablet. Don't have money for capital? Well, that's fine, because this method is completely free. You won't need to spend any of your own money to get started. If you stick with me until the end of this video, I'll show you how you can make $300 in just 30 minutes. This is a video that you're not going to want to miss. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Now let's get into it, ladies and gents. The very first thing that you're going to do is feed your dog. Just kidding, unless you haven't fed your dog yet today, and in that case, you're going to want to go and do that, but be sure to come back because you don't want to miss this video. Anyways, open up a browser and head over to Google and then search for Google News. Now, if you're too lazy to type that like I am, you can just look out for a button that looks like this one when you head over here and just click on that. After you do that, you should be on a page that looks like this one. See it? Great. Now, you're gonna notice that they have news in pretty much any category that you can think of. Looking for news on business? They've got it. Want to keep up with the Kardashians? Then entertainment is gonna be your bet. Trying to find out whether the Patriots are making it to the Super Bowl again? Well, then you're gonna be clicking on sports news. They pretty much have news on anything and everything you can think of. So for this money-making method, you're gonna go ahead and pick a category. So I'm gonna pick health right here, and then I'm gonna be brought to a page that has lots of articles related to health. These articles are all professionally written, so what you're gonna want to do is find an article and then copy it. Ready for the next step? Okay, so open up another browser and go to spinbot.com. This is a free tool that you can use to spin articles, so you can just paste any text into this box right here, and then the site will spin the article for you, and the spun text will be displayed right over here in this box. It pretty much rewrites the original text that you give it. It's really useful if you're still a student and are too lazy to write an essay yourself. That's not how we're going to be using it today though. Basically, how you can make cash is by taking articles and then having them spun here on Spinbot, and then you're going to submit your articles for money. This method is cool because there's so many ways that you can get paid, like through PayPal, bank transfer, and so many other ways. There's specific websites that you're going to be selling your articles to though, so you're going to want to listen in because I'm going to go over the best ones for you to work with. There are 3 that I'm going to go over today, and you're going to want to sign up with all 3 of them so you can max out your cash out. So keep listening.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Now let's make some moolah. The very first website that you're going to want to visit is textbroker.com. So to get started with this platform, you're going to want to click on this button right here that says I write content. See it? Good. Smash that button. When you do that, it's going to bring you to a page that is going to talk all about what it's like working with them. They're going to show you information on payments, and when you click on it, it'll actually show you how much money you could potentially earn on here. Now, the best part about this method is that you don't even need to have any writing skills to be able to make money. You have the help of Spinbot, so you really don't need to worry if you aren't a writer. All you're going to be doing is copying and pasting, and with a few clicks, you could make hundreds of dollars. Now, this website does have a 5-star rating system, and the more stars you earn, the more money you'll get paid. With the help of Google News, though, you should be able to get 5 stars and earn more money. Since the Google articles are professionally written and you're just spinning them, you have a better chance at scoring higher and making more cash. Sounds simple enough, right? I mean, with the use of this method and with the help of Google and Spinbot, you could be making $100 for just one article. This method is really easy for beginners, and you can make lots of money in no time. I mean, look at this. If you write a 5,000 word article, you can make this much money. Crazy, right? If you take a look at the categories on Google News, you'll notice that a lot of them are similar to the ones on TextBroker. And if you don't have enough words for the article, you can always go and combine articles to be able to have more words and make more cash. So what are you waiting for? Signing up for TextBroker is completely free, and using Google and Spinbot is also completely free. So this is something that you can do right after you're done with this video. It's great because you get to work on your own time whenever you want, and they pay you every single week. All you need to have earned is at least $10, and then you can cash out your earnings. TextBroker is great, right? Anyways, let's head on over to the second website I'm going over today, and that is iWriter.com. This platform is a lot like TextBroker because you can submit articles here as well and make lots of money. So getting started on here is super simple. First, you're gonna set up a free account. Next, you're gonna pick a category that you wanna work in, and they have lots that you can choose from. After that, you're gonna submit articles that fall under the category that you've chosen. Then you're going to review your article after it's approved, and once you've done all of those things, then they're going to pay you for your article. The pay on here is also really good. How it works is the customer picks a package and then they pay you for the package. As you can see here, there are different levels of money that you can earn, and each package pays really well. Since the articles on Google are professional, as I mentioned earlier, you'll be able to advance to the higher earning levels really quickly. You can get to the elite level or even the elite plus level. The coolest part is that you can submit the same articles for both iWriter and TextBroker and make twice the money compared if you were to just sign up for one of these sites. One article, but twice the pay. Pretty cool. Oh, I forgot to mention that you can do this from anywhere. Whatever country you're in, you can sign up for these platforms and start making money. Are you in the US, Canada, Mexico, India, Nigeria, or Pakistan? Well, even if you aren't, you can still make money through these platforms. Anyways, let's get on with the video and move on to our next platform, which is Scripted.com. This is another site that, like the other two, you can use it to triple your income for one article. To get started with them, you're going to want to click on this button to become a writer. When you do that, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this one. You also have a lot of categories to choose from on here, so take your pick. Just like with the other platforms, a lot of their categories are in line with the ones on Google News, so you shouldn't struggle finding articles for any of the categories that you pick. And the best known categories on here are science, entertainment, health, and technology. With the help of Spinbot and Google News, you'll never run out of articles to submit and get paid for. This is so easy that my baby could do it, so I know that it'll be really easy for you. Payment on here is also quick. You'll get paid 15 days after your job is accepted. Plus, one of the great things about this site compared to the other ones is that you can set your own rates here. The pay on here is really good, and when you submit your articles to all three of these sites, you can earn hundreds of dollars really quickly. Now, the downside is that this site is currently only accessible in 20 countries, but you can keep checking back in, and they might eventually add your country if it isn't already on here. All you need to do to make an account is to click on this button right here and then click apply now, and then it's going to bring you to a registration page for you to fill out. Sign up doesn't take that long, and then once you're done, you can start making money. Ready to start earning? Well, now you are, because you've made it to the end of the video. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you learned something new from me today.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.